So guys, for the first method, you want to sign out of a YouTube account and then sign back in again. See if that works. For the second method, if you're using YouTube Studio on the web browser, you want to clear the cache of it. So make sure that you have YouTube Studio open. I'm not going to open it on my screen because it's my own channel, because I'll be showing you details about my channel. I don't want to do that. So you want to open up YouTube Studio. Once you have YouTube Studio open, in the top left, you want to click right here, View Site Information. Then you want to click on Cookies and Site Data, and then click on Manage On-Device Site Data. You want to delete everything that comes up here, and then click on Done. Now you want to click on this again, View Site Information, and then click on Site Settings. If you have any usage data, you want to click on Reset right here if it lets you. Now you want to go back to YouTube Studio, and then click on Reload. It's then going to refresh the YouTube Studio page, and then hopefully this will fix your problem. If you're using the YouTube Studio application on your phone, you want to clear the cache for that. If it's still not working, then the YouTube servers are probably down regarding YouTube Studio. You have to wait for it to come back up. So just wait and be patient, and then the YouTube Studio servers should be working again.